In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link in Obsidian. If you're new to Obsidian or just looking to enhance your note-taking skills, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and explore how you can link notes within this dynamic application, helping you create a web of interconnected ideas. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you have the Obsidian app installed on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, pause here and get that sorted out so you can follow along easily with the rest of the steps. Once you have Obsidian ready and running, open the application to begin. Now, let's get started with creating your first note. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll call it Sample Note 1. Creating a note is straightforward. Simply click on the New Note button or use the hotkey, which is often Ctrl+N or Command+N depending on your operating system. Once you've created Sample Note 1, you can start jotting down whatever content you like. Next, you'll want to create a second note. Let's name this one Sample Note 2. You can follow the same process as before, click on New Note, and type in your content. It's always a good idea to have a few notes to work with when learning to link them, as this will allow you to see the full potential of Obsidian's linking capabilities. Now comes the exciting part, linking your notes. In Obsidian, linking is incredibly simple and intuitive. While you're in Sample Note 1, type in double square brackets, like this. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears, showing you suggestions of existing notes you might want to link to. Start typing the name of the note you wish to link to, in this case, Sample Note 2. Once you see it pop up in the suggestions, you can either click on it or just hit Enter to complete the link. It's as easy as that. You've now successfully linked Sample Note 1 to Sample Note 2. This creates a connection between the two, allowing you to navigate between them effortlessly. Press Enter, and you'll see the link appear in your note. Clicking on this link will take you directly to Sample Note 2, making it incredibly easy to trace your thoughts and ideas across different notes. And there you have it. Your notes are now interconnected, making your note-taking system much more dynamic and useful. The ability to link notes in Obsidian is a powerful feature that can help you keep your ideas organized and accessible. As you continue to use Obsidian, you'll find that linking notes becomes second nature, and your personal knowledge base will grow in complexity and depth. Thanks for watching, and happy noting!